you please tell about yourself? You are from Mumbai, is it not?
Yeah, I'm from
Yeah.
Mumbai.
Please tell briefly about yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Himangi Tukaram Moikar. I'm basically born and brought up in Mumbai only. I have completed my post-graduation in commerce from Mumbai University in the year 2015. I also passed CASA examination from Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. I'm carrying total banking experience of 6 years. Presently, I'm working with TJSP Sahakari Bank Limited since 2017. I was posted at Goa when I was joined TJSP for 3 years, and then I'm transferred to Mumbai in 2020 January. So this is my 6 years total banking experience. About my family background, there are four members in my family. My father-in-law is auto rickshaw driver. My mother-in-law is housemaker, and my husband is also working with CDSP Sahakari Bank as an
Same. He is
officer.
also working same bank.
Yeah, we are in same bank.
Oh, so nice. He is also an officer.
Yeah, he's also officer.
Oh, very good. Where is he? He is also in Mumbai.
Yeah, he's also in Mumbai.
Good. But only doubt that came to my mind, uh, how people call you Hemangi, correct?
Hemangi. Yeah, Hemangi.
What is
Hemangi.
the meaning of the name Hemangi?
It's golden body.
Golden body.
Yes.
Acha, acha. Good. It's a Marathi term, na kya?
Yeah. My mother tongue is Marathi.
Marathi. Very good, very
Yeah.
good. Hemangi. Um, how many kids do you have?
No, recently I got married in January.
Only recently you got married. Very good.
Yeah.
So now another doubt I had in my mind is TJSB Sakakari Bank. Is it a scheduled commercial bank?
Yeah, it is scheduled commercial multi-state bank.
Really? Oh,
The scheduled cooperative bank.
scheduled cooperative bank. Acha. Good, good, good. And
It is a local Thana-based bank,
uh-huh.
but having its network in five states: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, having 136 branches.
Has it been included in the second schedule of RBI Act?
Yeah, it is included.
Oh, then very good, very good. I was having a doubt whether it may be there or may not be there.
Yeah, it
Good.
is there.
It is there, first class.
Yes.
Now, can you please tell about your normal functions every day, briefly?
Presently, I'm working in Lewiswadi branch in Thane. This branch is deposit oriented, hence I'm working operational department. I'm doing day-to-day work like authorization of all types of accounts, current, saving, recurring, deposits, FD, even compliance of all KYC requirements, all types of authorization of all types of transaction like cash, articles, NEFT, FDs, RDs, ATM reconciliation also. Even I used to do processing of retail loans and as well as business loan at our branch level, disbursement, execution of document, also monitoring of loan account if any recovery is there, and also cross-selling of our product.
Good. You were telling about ATM reconciliation. Can you tell me something about ATM reconciliation? What is it about?
We used to do on daily basis. We used to we check all the balance in ATM physically and in our system. If there is any requirement of cash replenishment, then we deposit cash accordingly, and we check whether there is no any forged note or in ATM or any difference is there, like cash excess, cash shortage. When we used to settle that
Yamangi,
excess.
Yamangi,
Yes.
your ATM, you officers are operating it or outsiders are doing it?
No, we are only operating because we are having in our bank this besides our
In
bank.
your bank premises
There are,
itself?
yeah.
Excellent, excellent. That's really good.
Yes.
Yeah. So the reconciliation. That's right. That's right. And what have you faced any problems in its
Sorry,
operation?
sorry, I can't hear you. Hello.
No. Have you faced any problems in the
Where
day-to-day operation in ATM operations?
ATM operation, not a big problem. As usual, if there is any system error or if there is any machine error, then cash deposit means cash entry is there, but sometimes cash is short because sometimes customer did not get cash, did withdraw debit, or sometimes cash deposited, but entry is not reflected in system. So we have to check that.
Very good. Now you said um, you are been sanctioning process of all loan products at the
Yes,
region level.
yes, yes, yes. Region level.
Why should
Actually,
you
I
do it
was,
at region level? Because you are working in a branch only.
yeah, I am presently in branch, but I was at region also in Goa. When I was in Goa, I was at region for 1.5
Acha,
years.
when you were in
Yes,
Goa,
yes,
you were doing it. Acha.
in fact.
Oh,
Actually, I have applied for the Goa region only in State Bank, Goa
acha.
fiscal.
Now you are applying for State Bank of India, Goa region.
Yes, yes.
How many vacancies are there?
16,
Hello,
16, 1 6.
1 6 only. Acha, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Why did you
And
prefer? Why did you prefer Goa?
actually, I was there in Goa for 3 years, and my mother's place is in Goa only.
Oh,
That's why I'm more familiar with Goan culture, and I really would like to go in Goa again.
good.
So that's why I applied for Goa.
Goa means I always remember about the beach. I have not
Yes, yes.
visited it, but we have seen
Okay.
it only in films and all that. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah, good, excellent. You are
Thank
telling
you.
frankly. What is your father?
My father is tailor, Chinese tailor,
Oh,
but presently is not working. My mother is homemaker, and my younger brother is in ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization.
super. He is working
Yes.
ISRO after doing what?
He did a diploma in mechanic,
Oh, and
and
after that he
also
is working. After that
yeah,
he is with ISRO. Good, good, good.
yeah, yeah.
Who is the in charge of ISRO? Who is the head of ISRO?
ISRO something.
It is related to my name.
Yeah, K. Subramanian.
No, no, Sivan. K. Sivan.
Yeah, K. Sivan.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. So good. How are you preparing for this interview?
I'm going through all the circulars, notification of RBI presently present during this COVID pandemic. What are the government doing various schemes
Ah,
for MSMEs, for distressed persons, for street vendors.
hmm.
Yeah.
Now, from where are you speaking? The voice is breaking. Can you come out the balcony?
Actually, like I'm at home only,
You are at home and near the window or out, away from the window?
in bedroom only, outside the room,
Open
not
only.
here. Yeah.
Kindly speak loudly so that it is recorded.
Yes, yes, yes.
Very good, very good, very good. So, are you having the link provided by me?
Uh,
No,
which which link,
no,
sir,
no.
exactly?
And below every video of mine, I have given video of, say, link of the papers you have to download for reading. Did you have them? Do you have them or not?
No, presently I'm not having.
Oh, are you aware of 94 videos or so I have put for this? No,
No, no, sir.
really.
No, sir.
Oh, Baba, how did you come to know of my channel then?
Actually, someone told me
Yeah,
that you are taking a mock interview. That's why I'm
no,
waiting.
the taking mock interview is another thing, but the main aspect of the game is that you have to prepare.
Yes, sir.
You have to prepare, and for preparation, I have given SBI circle based officers 99 videos, and yours is the 100th video.
Okay.
This one I'll be posting afterwards. I'm just recording now and I'll be posting it as the 100th video. And there are 4 videos specially to let you know about SBI. Have you gone through the SBI annual report?
Annual report I not go through, but the basic requirement, basic mixed business of SBI profit that I go through.
No, SBI circle based offices here, annual report, they have released an annual report wherein they have told about SBI, what is their total deposit, what is their total advances, everything has been given.
Yeah, and deposit is around 32.41 lakh crore and advances is around 23.25 lakh crore in as on March 20.
Correct. What is
And
the
they have
profit?
profit is something 14,000 crore.
Huh?
14,000 crore.
Correct. Good.
So I'll go through the basic which required for the main bank product of the bank.
Yeah. What do you know about State Bank of India?
Basically, State Bank of India is the very oldest and the biggest bank in India with almost market share of 23% when it comes to the
Good.
assets. It actually establishment is in the year 1806 in the Kolkata.
No.
There was 3 banks.
Emangi, I would
Yes,
suggest you are not going into very old things like that. If at all you want to start, you start from 1955.
1955 SBI
Because
establishment.
otherwise there won't be time for us to cover. The
Okay.
problem with the interview, Hemangi, is that it is going to be for 10 or 15 minutes, and within these 15 minutes, you have to impress.
Yes, sir.
जितना enthusiastically आप बात करते हैं उसका बारे में होगा.
Okay, sir.
इसका बीच में हम आपको एक वेरीफाई करेगा. मेरा बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वीडियो है जिसमें और एक लड़की फ्रॉम से बॉम्बे, she appeared for scale 2 and now she got into scale 2, and she got mainly because of her communication ability, because she
Okay.
studied journalism.
Oh,
So इतना confidence से आप बोलना है, that is what is more important. And are you confident about talking to others?
sorry.
Are you confident about meeting strangers?
Yeah. Yes,
How
I'm
much?
confident. Hello.
Hello, how much
Hello.
confident are you on a scale of 0 to 10?
Sorry. Hello.
On a scale
Hello.
of 0 to 10, hello,
Yeah. Hello.
on a scale of 0 to 10, how
Yes, sir.
confident are you?
It's 8 to 9.
8 to 9. Good. Excellent. Your husband is also applying for this job?
No, actually, he's not eligible. He's
He
more
has
than
not,
30 years.
he has not, more than 30 years.
Yeah.
Good. The market share of SBI deposit, how much you said roughly?
It's 23%.
Roughly. Good. What is the advanced market share?
Advanced market share, I didn't go through it.
19.69.
Okay, 19.
How many branches are there?
It is around 23,000.
22,141. Doesn't matter. 22,000. Okay. How many ATMs do they have? Pan India ATMs.
ATM.
58,555. Roughly 60,000.
Yeah, 60,000 ATM.
Good. Can you tell me what is financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion is uh,
What happened?
hello. Financial system is financial inclusion is normally gives our banking products to the sector where like urban and rural areas in India. So the basic objective of financial inclusion is to promote habit of saving and also to help them to get loan. So this the people who stay in urban and rural areas.
No, you don't have to help them get loan. to give banking services to people
So banking
at
is
cheaper rates, at
cheaper.
economical rates.
Yes.
समझ गया?
Yes, yes.
अच्छा, can you tell me about CASA? What is CASA?
Current account and saving account.
Why bankers are more after CASA?
Because it is low cost deposit. It is,
Good,
we have to pay a very low interest on CASA. There is no interest,
mm,
so it is low cost deposit.
good, good,
That's
good,
why I
good.
encourage for CASA.
So you said you have been sanctioning retail loans.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me in some retail loan probably some mistake has happened and you did not notice it earlier and that became a problem for the account to become overdue. Do you recollect any such instances?
Sometimes in personal loan, mostly there is some mistakes.
Yeah,
Since it is unsecured loan,
yeah.
NPA portion is much higher.
Hmm.
So we mostly face this problem in NPA in personal loan only.
In personal loans, normally you give based on references or without any references.
Sometimes it is based on references, sometimes it is walking.
Walk-in also. Oh, Acha, what is the risk percentage? How much becomes NPA? Uh,
Uh, where in personal loan,
yeah,
actually on bank level, I'm not able, I didn't know, but
rough,
it is
roughly say 50%, 60%, 40%,
not a 50%, it is around 30 to 40%.
30 to
Yeah, that's
40%. Okay, good, good, good. Excellent. In your bank, are you eligible for housing loan and all?
yeah,
You are
I'm
eligible.
eligible.
Housing loan.
Yes, sir.
For officers, what is the housing loan you are eligible for?
It is actually minimum 13, so there is cap for at our level, at my scale it is 13 lakhs.
30 lakhs, 30.
Yeah, 30.
Okay, good, 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 good. Excellent. Now, what do you know about priority sector advances and what are the recent guidelines that have been issued by RBI?
Recent guidelines, it is basically on MSME sector. That is, they have also included turnover for this priority sector.
Mm,
For a micro, it is investment. They have actually combined manufacturing and service sector.
mm,
Earlier, that was different, but
okay.
now they have combined manufacturing and also service sector in one category only.
Mm,
And there are three categories like micro, small, medium.
mm,
For a micro, investment in equipment and plant and machinery is up to 1 crore and turnover up to 5 crore.
mm,
But for small investment, it is up to 10 crore and turnover is up to 50 crore.
mm,
And for a medium investment, it is up to 20 crore and turnover is up to 100 crore.
good, good, good. That is about that. But on September 4th, it seems they have issued some other guideline. Are you aware of that? Some special guideline to include some ninth sector also as a priority sector. I have posted a video for this on October 8th.
Okay. Hello.
Wait, wait. Yeah. So kindly go through that video also.
Okay, sir.
That will be helpful for you. Good, good, good. Now, priority sector, you told me. Now, regarding risk, can you tell me what is risk management?
Risk
Because
management is,
I am asking this many questions because you have studied CAIAB, correct?
yes, sir.
Acha, in your bank, do they give you increments for passing CAIAB?
Yeah, we
Very
got.
good, very good. I appreciate them. Good. Acha, tell me
Thank
what
you.
are the risks?
Risk, there are various banking is mostly based on the risk only. There are various risks like liquidity risk, market risk, uh, capital risk, operational risk.
Here there is one more thing I find: interest rate risk.
Interest rate risk.
Yeah, liquidity risk is risk to inability of a bank to meet its contractual obligations. For I am talking from the angle of bank. Interest
Okay.
rate risk is a risk due to adverse movements of interest rates. Credit risk is risk on account of possible default. Market risk
Yes.
is risk of adverse deviations due to marking to market value of the trading portfolio. Operational risk of loss due to inadequate failed internal process. Exchange risk on account of adverse fluctuation in foreign exchange rates. Settlements risk, one more thing they have given: risk of counterparty default after the deal is put through, this slightly higher level. Good,
Okay.
very good. What do you know about Basel norms?
Basel norm, presently they have introduced Basel 3 norm
Yeah.
in the year 2010.
Hmm.
But India is, the Basel norms is not, Basel 3 norms is not presently implemented in India.
Hmm.
It's basically for means
Now you will have to tell about the capital adequacy ratio and
capital
all.
adequacy ratio. It is
So,
basically on capital adequacy ratio,
hmm.
which
So,
shows that the minimum capital requirement
hmm.
of a bank,
Hmm.
the,
Good.
that ratio is minimum ratio is 9%,
Hmm.
which is set by RBI for a bank.
Yeah. Good, good, good. Excellent. 1 minute. Hold on. Good. You are answering more or less nicely, but थोड़ा confidence level कम लगता है क्यों?
Okay.
Am I right or wrong? If I am wrong, correct.
Like actually, after a long time, I'm giving interview. So
Oh,
that's
you are talking. I mean, you are giving interview after long time.
yeah.
Yeah. Acha, have you heard of the term certificate of deposit?
Certificate of deposit.
सुना नहीं?
Means term deposit certificate, right?
नहीं. Certificate of deposit. Say
Money,
it is
money
issued.
market
It is issued by
instrument.
banks for a higher amount. For a higher amount, and
Okay.
where we will deduct the interest amount and we will receive reducing the interest, and we will pay the lump sum at the end of the period.
No, I'm not aware.
Minimum is 7 days, maximum 1 year. CRR and SLR is applicable for this. Date of
Okay.
maturity, no grace period on this. If maturity date is holiday, payment is to be made on the immediate preceding working day. The minimum amount is rupees 1 lakh and it is multiples of 1 lakh.
Okay.
Okay. So this is certificate of deposit. Can you tell me what is
I,
CBS?
core banking solution.
इतना कम बोलने से कैसे चलेगा? थोड़ा 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 इंटरेस्ट लेके थोड़ा बात करना है जी.
uh,
I think
Actually, core banking
you talk very less.
no, actually not.
Not
Core
actually.
banking services are like where you can do banking from anywhere, means from any branch of the bank.
Ah,
That is core bank. You can withdraw money, deposit money, deposits of check from any bank. Where even though you have a account in one bank, you can withdraw the money from other bank branch of the same bank. That
hmm.
is core bank solution.
But उसका और भी ज़्यादा बोल सकते हैं ना. For example, the advantage is that all the bank branch accounts are centralized and is linked to the central server.
Yes.
Okay, that is the advantage. Yeah, good. Now, can you tell me something about Reserve Bank of India?
Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India. It established in the year 1934 under Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Presently, the governor is Mr. Shaktikanta Das.
Hmm.
Uh, Also, the headquarter of RBI is in Mumbai.